Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JBZY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price closed on Friday, and then you look at where the price closed today, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made good, solid progress today. But that does also lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to me, that area is down here at 0.058. Why is 0.058 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0.058. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, and we're not saying it'll happen, but just for example's sake, does something like this. So even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward over time. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase make progress forward as 0.058. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those right now because in my opinion, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So no doubt about it, very nice way to start off the week. Now it's just a matter of answering the question, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.